Garret from Garret's Guitar Lessons here, and today I'm going to be talking about the chromatic scale. Now this was particularly fun because I'm going to be hitting every single note between D and another octave of D. Now, even though there are only 12 notes in Western music, I'm going to be hitting 13 notes to include resolving the chromatic scale on the D note again. Now we have a couple rules to follow. One is that whenever I'm ascending the scale, I have to move back a fret. So essentially the scale is me using 1, 2, 3, 4 fingerings and then just moving back when I'm ascending the scale. Now when I'm descending the scale, I need to move up in order to hit each of those next chromatic notes. Now the only time that changes is when I'm between the third and the second string, where I have to stay on the same fret grouping. Alright, I'm going to start out with my first finger on the 5th string, 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to move back to the 4th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4. Move back to the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go to my D note on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now when I descend that, I'm going to be going 1 on the D, and then 4, 3, 2, 1 on the 6th through 3rd fret. Move up to the 7th fret, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move up to the 8th fret, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to be moving the 7th fret on my 3rd string. I'm going to put my first finger there. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, same frets, 7th through 10th on the 2nd string, 1, 2, 3, 4, move back to the 6th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll move up to that D right there. Now I'm going to be putting my pinky on the 10th fret, 1st string. That's my D note. I'm going to descend that scale just a little bit differently. I'm going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, move up to the 11th fret on the 2nd string, 4, 3, 2, 1, stay on the 11th fret again on the 3rd string, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go back 1 fret to my first finger on that 3rd string, 7th fret. Now I'm going to be putting my first finger on the 10th fret, 6th string. This is going to be D, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 9th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move my first finger back up to D, the 12th fret, 4th string. Alright, now I'm going to descend that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 13th fret on my pinky, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 14th fret on my 6th string, 4, 3, 2, 1, move my first finger back to go to D right there. Now I'm going to go up to my first finger on the 12th fret on the 4th string. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the 11th fret on the 3rd string, 1, 2, 3, 4, same fret on the 2nd string, 11 through 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, then up to my 15th fret on the 2nd string. Now I'm going to descend 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 15th fret, 4, 3, 2, 1, go up to the 16th fret, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then end with my first finger moving back to that D note on the 4th string, 12th fret. So there we have it, the chromatic scale. It's a great substitute instead of just mindless finger exercises to actually practice going from one note to the same note either above or below an octave. If you're looking for something cool to kind of put this in, try thinking about it over any arpeggio or any scale going from one chord tone to the next chord tone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Check out Garret'sGuitarLessons.com for more free lessons and resources, and even a free PDF version of this scale right here in tab form. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time.